Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a DIY shower gel base only, but you can customize it how you want. In this video we're going to be using 4 ingredients. The preservative is optional for this shower gel base. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be using cocoa glow side, my surfactant. Then I'm going to be using guar gum, or you can use xanthan gum. And then I have my water, distilled water, and then I have vegetable glycerin. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make a slurry using the glycerin and the guar gum. So right here I've got I got 2 grams of guar gum, and then I've got 6 grams of vegetable glycerin, and I'm going to add this to my guar gum. Get all of this. And see, we're just trying to get this all incorporated. This makes it so much easier. We want to get everything mixed together before we add in our surfactant, because once you add in the surfactant, you want to keep down as much bubbles as possible. Okay, so we want to get this really mixed in well and incorporated. And then for my distilled water, I've got 5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of the water mixture to this. And then I'm going to, once I add some of the water mixture to it, I'm going to add all of this back into the water. Trying to get this well incorporated. It's already starting to thick up. So now I want to go ahead and add it in. Move this over a little bit. Get the rest of this in here. I'm going to stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to get my stick blender. Start thickening up here. Okay, y'all, so I had to switch my beakers and go with the bigger one because the blender, the handheld blender that I had, just didn't cut it. So I had to get my emulsion blender out, which is this, and I got the perfect consistency of what I wanted, because when I did the 3 grams of guar gum the last time, it was a little bit too thick for me, and I don't like my shower gel that thick like that. But this right here ended up being the perfect consistency for me. Now you can use 3 grams, but I like mine like this. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our preservative, which is, we're going to be using 0.016, half a milliliter of Lucidal SF Complete. Just going to put that in, give it a stir. And now we're going to add in our surfactant, which we're going to be using 15 milligrams of the surfactant, 0.5 ounces. So we're just going to start pouring it in. And we want to get it well incorporated. Ounces. Hubby's correcting me on something and it's funny. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and pour all of this in. 15 milliliters of the surfactant. Okay, and this is what it's starting to look like. And you can customize this to however you want to make your shower gel. You can add in powders, you can add in butters, oils. You just make it how you want it. And like I said, this the preservative is optional, and this is the final product and what it should look like.